this setup can, we're laughing with Bruno in the background drinking water rather noisily. So
Bruno's my dog.
That's right, Bruno is a dog at this stage. We will see like a bloopers reel. Okay, Rob, sound bites on the sofa.
Sound bites on the sofa. Sounds good.
So today we're going to talk about acquisition. So obviously businesses that this setup can, we're laughing with Bruno in the background drinking water rather noisily. So
Bruno's my dog.
That's right, Bruno is a dog at this stage.
Just saying.
Right, back into it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bruno's drinking noisily. Bruno's a dog. I love that. Can grow organically, of course, through investment in.
Let's just stop this, shall we? You need to go outside, buddy, because that's dominating. Right.
CopperFox bloopers reel. Yeah. Take 97. Okay, so Rob.
Sound bites on the sofa.
Sound bites on the sofa. So basically this afternoon we're going to have a bit of a chat about.
Sorry, this is this is my 6-month-old boxer dog with a bone, creating all sorts of noise in the background.
But this is not a boxer as in Rocky the Boxer.
But he wants to be part of the video, but he's a very noisy little chap.
Right.
Okay. Again.
Should we try it again?
Let's try it again. Yeah.
We will see like a bloopers reel.